Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here. Welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to be doing a review for the Roadmap to Riches program. And in this video, I'm going to be answering the number one question that you probably have in your mind right now. Is this program actually worth the hype? And should you decide to enroll in this program? And should you promote this as an affiliate if you want to create an income online? So currently right now, there's a lot of hype going around about this Roadmap to Riches program, which is also known as Master Resale Rights. And if you've been on TikTok at all within the last month or two, you've probably heard a lot about Master Resale Rights or Roadmap to Riches, and you are wondering, is it really worth the hype? So right now, everyone's talking about it. Everyone's going crazy over this new thing, and you want to know, is it actually worth it, right? So this video, I just want to mention right off the bat, this is going to be from the perspective of a non-affiliate. So if you want to hear kind of, from the perspective of someone who isn't going to try and just give you just nothing but positive things just to get you in, then you've came to the right place. So basically how this works is very much like affiliate marketing. You enroll in the program and then you could decide to become an affiliate for Master Resale Rights. And the way that this is different from most affiliate programs is that this is going to be different depending on who you buy Master Resale Rights from. And the whole unique benefit to this program that's being marketed is you could kind of customize it to your own. So basically what I mean by that, and just to give you an idea, I've brought up multiple different versions of the course. And so depending on who you buy it from, the page is going to look different. Everyone kind of has their own version of it. So here's one version of the sales page that goes over all that right here. Right, so you've got the testimonials down here, and then it has the, this is kind of all the benefits right here, and then you own it for life, and then it has the free community, and then it has the questions down here. So what does the course teach me? So this is pretty much a training that shows you how to do affiliate marketing, shows you how to market any type of products online, and how this works is you pay $500 to get in. So it's a one-time investment of $500, and then you have the full resale rights to then promote this as your own. And then, unlike other affiliate programs where you get a commission, 30 to 50% commission, in this case, you actually make $500 whenever someone buys through your link, right? So that's pretty much how that works right there. And there's been plenty of other, programs that kind of operated the same way with 100% commissions. There's Easy One Up, Exodus Elite, Infinity Processing System, and all these kind of work the same. But what makes this different in particular is you get to pretty much customize your own website. So you have your own website with your own buy button, and you could set it up with Stripe, and then you just click the payment directly through the customer, and then they get access to the Roadmap to Riches course. So that's pretty much how all of that works right there. And of course, I want to mention, this isn't anything new in particular. So a lot of people on TikTok are talking about it like it's this big new thing, but in reality, there's been plenty of other programs just like this. But I want to talk about kind of the pros and cons to this exact program right here. So as far as the information that you're getting, the information teaches you strategies and techniques on how to market any type of products online. So in terms of that, you could use this to market Master Resale Rights or any other program if you want to do that. But I want to talk about kind of the pros and cons to this in particular, right? So there's a lot of good things about this as to why a lot of people are jumping on it. And there are some downsides to this as to why I've decided that I am not going to be jumping on the Roadmap to Riches bandwagon, right? So first and foremost, when you make a sale, you make $500. It gets paid out to you directly, usually within a day or two. As of right now, there's a lot of newbies succeeding, and that is primarily because of the buzz going around on TikTok with the Roadmap to Riches and Master Resale Rights search terms right here. So that's another benefit, which can be good in the short term, maybe not the long term. You get to customize the branding to yourself. Typically with programs like this, you do not need to worry about refunds. So when someone buys the course from you, you don't have to worry about, let's say a day or two later, they do a chargeback or something like that. So generally what you earn is what you keep with this, which is good. No upsells with a question mark, which I will address in a little bit. And then, of course, as far as the information goes, you are getting some solid information to grow an online business. Now, as far as the downsides as to why I've decided that I'm not doing master resale rights or roadmap to riches, is that number one, this is only focused on getting you instant commissions only. And for me personally, I've always preferred programs that are focused on residual income, right? So that's my personal preference. The reason why I prefer programs like this is because, things change things change from time to time, certain algorithms change. And let's say that, a month or two down the road, this kind of becomes irrelevant. It starts to get more competitive, and more and more people are going to jump on this. Of course, more and more people are going to be making videos. Well, then, if you don't have people going to your link consistently, and if you don't have people constantly buying through your link, then eventually your income could go down if you're not consistently getting people over to your link, right? So with programs that offer residual income, which I'll show you, an example of that in a minute, you can, of course, put in the work one time. You build up a base of, let's say 10, 20, 30 customers, and they're all paying you month to month. And if you are someone that wants more stability, like a more stable, consistent income in the long term, then generally you want to have something that offers residual income as well, right? So that brings me to the next thing. It'll get competitive very fast. So because this has a lot of buzz around it, and I've seen a lot of programs like this where they start off really hot, everyone's talking about it like it's this big new thing. It seems like everyone is succeeding, but usually what will happen is, 3 to 6 months down the line is where it'll kind of die off, and then there will be a next new shiny object, right? So that's the thing to keep in mind with this. It is going to get competitive pretty quickly. And again, for that reason, this is why I recommend ones that offer residual income as well, right? So, and as far as the whole comparison between master resale rights versus affiliate marketing, still very much the same concept. You still need to get traffic to your link. You still need to follow up with your leads. You need to, generate leads, follow up with them. So traffic and conversions are the two things that you still need to focus on. And as far as the no upsells thing goes, you do need to invest in tools like a funnel builder and an email autoresponder, right? And so that kind of brings me to the next thing that I want to mention here with System.io. So System.io is the tool that they use for building funnels and following up with your leads. So this is the tool that they recommend here. And yes, you can get started for free. And, the one downside that I will say with System.io, so this is kind of like an all-in-one marketing system. So it has funnel builder inside, email autoresponder, and plenty of other things in it, which sounds good. However, the one downside that I've noticed with a lot of all-in-one platforms like this is that the email deliverability rate tends to be not as good as ones that are more focused on just email marketing. So my recommendation is, if you're going to be building a list, if you're going to be following up with your leads, I always recommend going with a platform like Aweber or GetResponse, which you could use GetResponse for free. And this is what I recommend using because number one, GetResponse has been around for a very long time. So I think well over 20 years actually. And because of how long they've been around, and also the reputation that they've built up as an email autoresponder standalone, they have one of the best, if not the best, email deliverability rate out there. So if you want to ensure that your emails are landing in the inbox of your leads, right away, then you definitely want to be using an email autoresponder like GetResponse, or Aweber is another good one as well, right? So System.io, and I've used other ones like this as well, like Kartra and Kajabi, and those ones can be kind of hit or miss in terms of email deliverability. So that's really the number one thing to keep in mind, with that, and why I recommend using not an all-in-one builder, right? And then as far as the pricing option, 500 is, I guess, not a whole lot, but it can be a lot for some people that are just getting started. So with all this being said, these are the reasons why I've decided that I'm not doing Master Resale Rights or Roadmap to Riches. And so that kind of brings me to the thing that I want to recommend as a much better alternative, in my opinion, that completely blows Master Resale Rights out of the water. And that is a program called Home Business Academy. Now, this gives you everything that you are getting with Master Resale Rights plus a lot more, in my opinion. So this gives you a funnel builder, which is what System.io has. And by the way, this program right here, you can get started for as little as $25 a month. So very inexpensive. You can get started for $25 a month. And what's really great about this is that this allows you to build up residual income as well. So for each customer that you refer to this program, you could earn $120 per month residual income in commissions. And what's really cool about that, and just to give you an idea, because of how well they have this set up, just one sale per week has the ability to get you a yearly cash flow of nearly $75K. So they have it kind of broken down. Where is it? They have it broken down right here. One sale a week can equate to an extra $74K per year. And this is something that can build up really quickly. And if I show you the graph right here, so they have the funnel builder, which is $25 a month. They have the premium product, which is you could actually get this for free for 14 days. So they have a 14-day trial. And then when you have both of these activated, what's really cool is, like I mentioned, every customer that you get is $120 a month residual income. And just 5 customers alone is an extra $600 in residual income. And as you can see, it keeps on building up. So I always recommend programs like this as far as earning potential. And to give you an idea, we got a ton of members in the Facebook group Succeeding. So we've got Andrew, who got a sale 15 hours ago. So 5 days after joining, checking Samcart and got his first email. So that's his first sale right there that he got. We've got Sharon right here. Made another sale for that I'm really grateful. So here's another email so these are the emails that you get when you get a sale. Got my first $100 sale. Second sale today. Made my first sale. So as you can see, it keeps on going on. Here is Claire, who got, looks like 2 sales actually, and then here's another one for myself. This is a $400 commission from their third product, which pays $400 instantly. And again, this pays 80% residual commissions for both of these 2 products. And then you also are able to get another $400 here for this product as well, right? So on the front end alone, you could earn $520 per referral, and then it's $120 per month afterwards. So again, if you're someone who wants to build up a residual income, which is what I always recommend starting with, nothing wrong with the high ticket programs, but for most people that I've seen just starting out, programs like this are much easier to start with for people who are brand new. So that's my personal recommendation. And if you want to check this out, again, you can go to the first link down below. It'll take you right over to this page right here. You just click on the button, and then you can get started for $25. And then of course they also have this right here. So I recommend whether you intend on getting the premium or not, you could just check the box, get the free 14-day trial, and then at the end of the 14 days you could decide whether or not you want to keep it. And again, this gives you everything you need with growing an online business. So you got the funnel builder. You could use GetResponse as the autoresponder, $25 right there. And then they also have free live trainings in here every week. So every Monday through Friday, you get on a Zoom call and you get free training for how to get traffic and also mindset as well, right? So that being said, check it out down below if you're interested. Otherwise, if you got value in this video, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. And of course, if you have any questions before getting started, drop a comment down below and I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.